Привет всем! На выставке Fespa я познакомился с польской компанией IMAGO, которая делает очень интересные принтеры, среди которых принтеры, печатающие пищевыми чернилами на продуктах питания. Принтеры IMAGO могут персонализировать и декорировать продукты для пекарен и кондитерских цехов. За 1 час работы IMAGO может запечатать более 500 имбирных печенек. Также принтер IMAGO может печатать на разных кондитерских изделиях, таких как торты, печенье, шоколад, пирожные, макарунсы, декоративные изделия и элементы для тортов, мармелад и различные виды карамелей. Еще для печати доступны другие кондитерские поверхности, такие как глазури, масла, помадки и желе. На принтере IMAGO очень легко научиться печатать и использовать его в работе. Печатное поле имеет размеры 32 на 65 см и соответствует печатному полю в программе для загрузки изображений. Разместите изображение на экране, чтобы оно соответствовало положению изделия на столе, и просто нажмите кнопку «Печать». Максимальная высота вашего торта может достигать 15 см. Принтеры IMAGO так легки в использовании, что вам не нужен квалифицированный специалист. Каждый в вашей компании может научиться печатать на принтерах IMAGO. Себестоимость печати на машине необыкновенно низкая, а сервисное обслуживание принтера достаточно простое и осуществляется нашей компанией. Расходные материалы и чернила мы предложим вам вместе с принтером и гарантируем наличие чернил и запчастей на нашем складе в городе Алматы. Покажите вашим клиентам невероятные возможности печати на принтере IMAGO пищевыми чернилами с очень высоким разрешением и качеством печати. Специально для наших клиентов мы также предложим шаблоны для печати кондитерских изделий. Гарантию и постгарантийный период эксплуатации полностью обеспечиваются компанией PrintStore. Ваша задача – просто печатать на принтере и удивлять ваших клиентов.
Привет всем! Очень интересную компанию я нашел на выставке Fespa. Смотрите, как она называется. Она называется IMAGO из Польши. И представитель этой компании.
One of the owner of the IMAGO. We are producer of very precision digital printer. On the Fespa exhibition we show free technology from us. This is first one. This machine is first machine on the world that that can print on the silver. It is special ink based on silver, and we can decorate almost everything with the silver layer. You can see the production of silver layer on the gold, on the leather, on the plastic bottles. So this is the first technology what I can show you. Second machine here, it's anodized aluminum. It's a special technology because we can print into the pores of the aluminum inside the metal. You can destroy this image. You can use chemical, you can use mechanical, but you can destroy it. So this is special technology for nameplates, for some diplomas. It is special technology. And last technology, what I can show you, it's UV printer. Please go around this stage.
Okay. Thank you.
here you can see our last device is it's a UV printer. It's looking like a common flatbed printer, but it is very important that this machine is very precision. And if you see the samples, I can show you. Please wait a second. Wait a second. Here you can see the 3D layer.
Wow.
It's made with our machine. Because this machine is very precision, it's not a problem to print even more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layer. And with 4 layer, we have 1 millimeters thickness of printing. So we can see,
very high.
yeah, it's very high. The base was this wood base, and this whole image was printed. Yeah, so you can see, for example, this is amazing. Yeah, for example, this rock. Yeah,
Really, like
and
really rock.
yeah, because the machine is very precision, you can do it.
Very
So
interesting.
so our
And how fast this printer?
how fast? The whole printing area, it's about A3 format. It's about 10 minutes per one
A3.
printing. So
10
it is rather 10 minutes.
With highest
If you want to produce more layer than one, you must to print 4 times. But it's doing automatically. For example, you can set 4 layer, and every 4 layer will be printed without any operation from the human. This machine, every kind of our machine is very simple to use. We have only 2 buttons for operating the machine. Very simple software. So if you need UV printers, if you need anodized aluminum, you can print what you want on our system. For example, this is also very important that, for example, we also produce special equipment for our systems. This equipment you can see here because it is additional. It is vacuum system with preheating. If you preheat some material, you can also have better quality or better resistance for example, for stretching. Yeah. You can see the samples pictures. And for example, this is UV printing on the leather. It is very important. It is structure, but before the printing, it was totally flat. It was flat, normal white ceramics. So you can see the structure effect. Yeah, it is like a normal rock. Yeah.
It's very, very high.
Yeah. For example, these 2 samples was printing also on our UV printer. You can see that structure is totally the same, like original picture. So we can produce.
Look like paint.
Yeah, because it is 100% reproduction, and without any human, it was only machine, our machine. So this is UV technology. Yeah, you can see. Yeah. So this is our UV printer, very precision, but we can back to our flagship technology because this silver printer on the face, it is our new technology, but this is our flagship technology. It is, you can destroy this image.
Do you use some primer?
If you use UV printer, sometimes for some kind of material primer is needed. For example, for stainless steel, maybe it is needed. For some kind of glass, it is needed. But normally, rather, it is optional, not for all materials. In anodized aluminum technology, which you see here, it's not needed, but the aluminium is specially prepared because it should be after anodizing process with open pores. During the printing, we print directly to these pores of aluminium. After the printing process, you must go with this sheet of metals to the special bath. After this water bath, you have anodized layer with the oxide of aluminium on the top of the print. So after this process, you can't destroy this image.
We can scratch some.
You can scratch without any chemical, without any mechanical.
Can we try?
Yeah, we can try. We
Do
can
you have
try.
some coins?
I have
Some metal.
I have some sample. I can give you this sample. You can see we can't destroy the image. You can't. You can a little destroy the surface, but not the image. Image is inside the metal.
Very
So
interesting.
I think also for your country, for Central Asia, it can be important technology because you have also a lot of industrial customers, and it can be useful for industrial customers that want to produce some nameplates. Also for the magazine, because magazine also needs some sign for the ground, for the shelves, and it can be helpful. And of course for advertisement, if you need some very good quality of printing, like here, you can see also it can be useful. Yeah? Last technology, as I told you, silver is a new one, so the printing with the silver can be useful for decorating product like luxury products, like conductive elements, because this silver is 100% of silver after the printing, so it is useful for prototyping of PCB designs. But this is new technology, so we looking for some new opportunities of for new business with this.
And how we put silver inks inside?
In this machine is special. It's our recipe. It's our technology. The silver is inside the cartridge. It's like a liquid, and during the printing process, it's changing to the solid state. But it's not UV. It's another type of process. But we make it. It's rather chemical, not with chemic. We change the liquid to the solid, but it is still totally 100% of silver.
And can you show sample of the coins with the print?
Yeah,
of
of course
silver?
I can show you. This is one sample of coins. You can also see the effect before. Normally it was like this, and after the printing you see the silver surface. And it is very important that this silver cover is still very difficult to scratch, because we try to destroy this silver layer, and for example in these coins, and easier is destroy the gold layer, which is covered in galvanic process, than this silver. So it is very, very strong layer after this process. I think it is enough. Of course, as I told you before, we're looking for some distributor, for some partner that can selling this machine, every type of machine in your region, in your country. We are open. Our factory placed in Warsaw, in Poland. In our factory work over 40 people. Now we have over 400 machine installation in 3 continents.
Okay, thank you, Dariusz. It's
Thank you very much for your time, and I am open to speak after the trade show.
Okay, thank you for your review of your equipment. Thank you so much.